Hello, folks. After I got home, I decided, there's always been a problem, I always remembered, about the Bendix carburetor. There was no drain. Now, some bowls come with the, to drain the bowl. But in case the float sticks, there's a hole. But it's just a hole. It's in the airspace above the float and the gasket. So, of course, I may be crazy or not. I went ahead and took it all apart again. I went ahead and sealed up. I don't know if you can see that. There seems to be some kind of weird thing here. Hold on a sec. There we go. Let's turn the light on. Evening Christmas. So there was a hole there, and that's just above the bowl. And in case the float sticks, it just kind of comes running out and goes willy-nilly. Well, I was going to put a small pipe in, like one of those, but I even found a smaller one. I think it was really small brake line. But when you come out of there, it would run right into this, and this wouldn't move real easy, So and I couldn't do a really bend. I don't have it was just too small to bend it. So, good or bad, I sealed that up. Now over here on this side, right here is the air that the bowl gets. So I went ahead, and it comes in here, goes down here. So down here I drilled, and it went in there pretty nice and snug, but I put a little bit of epoxy around it. So that's where I'm going to have my drain. Now it's a pinch higher than the other side. Not to start, asking experts and stuff, and you go on Facebook, and pretty much everybody says get an S&S and stuff like that, but they get horrible mileage, I think. I got one, but I want to get it back to original, so I got this the other day. And I got all those parts that I showed the other day, and a whole bunch of Bendix and odds and ends parts. And then I had my one kit that was part of it was there, which gives me good instructions. I probably should take it in and have Kay make a copy of it, so in case I get my thumbs and dirty thumbs all over it. But yeah, this one does not have the drain. Now my other one does, but I must have epoxied it because it must have leaked. This one does not have the drain. Does have the adjustable, which did come with the carb, even though I got a bunch of different ones. And then I finally figured out what all the numbers mean and the sizes and things. And there's a B and a C that I've got. A B and a C. Here's I got my glasses on. That's the B and a C. So the C is larger, and you can really tell the hole being larger down at the bottom. But that's, I guess, for elevation. So, and that's the idle tube. So I remember getting one of these adjustables. Now, even though some people say when you screw this in and out, it doesn't exactly stay concentric or in the center of there, but of the main jet. But the main jet can only be used, that you get with it can only be used with this. Otherwise, it doesn't go. Those don't go in. So I was trying different things. And that's got, I forget what it's got on the bottom of it. Hey, maybe it's this way. Look at the camera, yeah, it was different numbers, and I got one that says 20, and and then I got some different ones. Where did I put them? I put them under some, oh, there they are. So yeah, mostly 157s, which are the stock ones. I got a couple that are larger, but if this is truly a bigger motor that I got. So like I say, I'll try this. And I put 205 reseal on the rubber. See if I can get some more life out of it. And so hopefully when I got the little bracket that comes, it's going to hold the cable for the throttle, and then I got the cable that comes down and goes into here, the wire cable, solid wire, I think. So that will be for opening and closing the choke, and that's about it. I've got the intake or the air cleaner. I'll probably have to make or adapt the bracket from the S&S that holds it, because I can't come off the bottom because I don't have a center bolt, because I got those Delcron cases. I do have a couple of these I made up. I found them. So if I need to hold the fuel line, that's what that was for. So, well, have a great weekend, everybody. I'll see you on the flip side. Bye-bye.